things that you don't care much about. I mean, you care about them, but you know, it's not a major project that you're going for. You're just using up old paint. You don't even know if they're any good. What's in them, how you mixed them, nothing. And it turns out so awesome. Alright, let's fire them real quick. And then I'll bring y'all in for a close-up. Wow. Wow, just amazing. Go. Alright, and this is the first one. Look how gorgeous. Oh, you don't get the glare during the day. Check that out. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at all those little cells. I might have had silicone in some of this paint because I used to use silicone sometimes. Oh, look at that purple line going through there. Very cool. But I used to use silicone. I don't much anymore because I'm not really after the cells most of the time. And Floetrol will make cells too on its own, so it's just so hard to clean up, and I just don't like it. I would rather not use it if I don't have to. But yeah, how cool is that, y'all? Look at that. That is so neat. Wow. And here's the center. Put that gold and the blue. Look how pretty that blue is. Look at that. See what that blue and dark blue, navy blue and gold does? Oh my gosh. The aqua and the gold didn't really blend as much as the blue and the gold does. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. Okay, that's that one. Now, bear with me here. I'll get around good. Oh, alright, here's the other one. Now this is the drippings off of the first one. So we didn't hardly waste any paint using our leftover paint. How thrifty is that? Yep, I like this little project. I feel pretty good about it. Isn't that neat? All those different designs. You just never know what you're gonna get. Oh, I see some canvas there. I'm gonna have to fix that. Good thing I did the close up. Not a lot of yellow showed up either, did it? Just a little bit right there. Right there's just some thin areas, which is good because I don't like yellow too much. No offense to yellow lovers, but it's just not my color. Yeah, I think that's, look at that. That did have some silicone in it because that's what that does. It pits it when it makes those cells. So something had silicone in it. I feel real sure about it. Okay, guys, that's it. All right, please subscribe if you haven't. Comment on these pieces. There's my glare. And please share. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and the best way to do it is for everybody to share Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media you're on, and ask them to share as well. And we'll get to our 1,000. Alright guys, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Love y'all. Bye. Oops.